I'm Dr. Ray McKinley, and I'm the owner of this dental practice with my daughter, Brittany Holloway. I graduated at the University of Detroit Dental School, and I've been practicing in this area for 40 years. What a patient can get here that they may not be able to get in another office is, first of all, the three-dimensional imaging, which is state-of-the-art. We were the first dentist in Macomb County to have that technology. Crowns, all in one day, so you don't have to leave with temporaries. That's a great thing to do. We have state-of-the-art therapies for root canals and orthodontics and surgery. We really focus on atraumatic surgery, which basically means with less trauma to the tissue.
My name is Brittany McKinley-Holloway, and I am a dentist here. I think the most consistent thing that people say is that our staff is so friendly, and we are very available and helpful. And they also comment a lot on the technology and that we are cutting edge.
I think if you were looking for a dentist and you were considering or looking at us as a dental office, know that we're going to be looking out for your best interest first.